Hey, what's up, dawg?
CJ, what's up, baby? Word.
Resist, sunshine, you can do it. For me, eh? Fucking Northerners. No, Macca, fight the urge. Think of Thatcher.
You know it's my time again.
I know, dude, so what's holding you back?
Whoa, hold up. This is video? I gotta see this fool.
Hey, man, you clean now. You got nothing to worry about.
We're going to hang with the homies.
Man, that fake-ass Loke.
Loke? But he's terrible.
Motherfucker. I knew there was something familiar about those rhymes he was kicking. They're from my rhyme book. That's my money. And those are my hoes. And that's my video he's shooting today.
Okay. I say we make a cameo appearance. Just drop in unannounced.
Yeah, that's gangster. Come on.
Thatcher, I love you, Maggie.
Oh, Macca.
Love you, Maggie.
man.
You ain't right in the head, mate.
Come on, punch! Let's drop in on OG Low. See if we can't interrupt that video shoot and recoup some royalties.
And my rhyme book. We're flying in style, baby. You got all the makers of a great manager car.
Save until we spending Loke's royalties.
Tell me how a fake buster phony like sucker-ass Loke can make it in the rap game, CJ.
Music business is changing, dog. It's all about dance routines and showmanship now. Any fake-ass idiot can get a record deal these days.
So what am I supposed to do?
Dog, you got heart, you got natural style, you got ice-cold gangsters running through your veins. Anybody can get a record deal, but only the genuine article can shake down the house.
CJ, my man, you're a natural manager.
Being interviewed, huh? Okay, let's smash this party up.
You fucking phonies! Sean, bitch! Give me my rhyme book! Give me back my chain! Give me back my hose!
He busting out. Come on, dog, let's get it.
Stay away from me! I thought we were friends! Yesterday's news! Kids want Loke! LOC! ain't nothing. Mad Dog, you a drunk-ass buster.
Holy shit!
The kids, they don't want you no more. You washed up. Both of you. Snoop is gonna deal with you, pussy.
You phony!
Man, you can't prove nothing.
Hey, Jeffrey, you a buster. Straight bitch. You stabbed me and my brother in the back.
Man, I'm an artist. We all make mistakes. Ain't that right, Alki?
You ain't no artist. You's a buster. You's a fake.
Man, I was gonna give you credit on the next album. Man, royalties? Take that. I
Yo,
got more
bitch,
too.
I should smack dog shit out your ass.
Just don't
Break
hit
your
me.
face right here,
you
motherfucker.
phony! Mr. Dog, Jimmy Silverman, blasting Fools Records.
Hold up, I'm the manager. You want to talk? Talk to me.
Oh, okay. Pleasure, gentlemen. Let's talk,
I'll
all right?
bust your ass.
I need hits. I mean hits. Now what about this guy? This, phony? I've got a good mind to sue his ass into next year.
Man, get off me, you drunk.
Hey, Lo, go get us some lunch.
You get lunch.
Excuse me, gangster. I don't think so.
Man, get out of here. Don't be pushing me. Don't be pushing me.
You okay? I hope not.
We got a 1081 in the market. Suspect last seen on foot.
The last time. Get my Gotta go to work. What, you sightseeing, Lo?
What's up?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore. Nice to hear from you, too.
You're dead.
Your friends are dead, your family's dead. I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash. So if you excuse me.
You're dead. Dead.
Push my way to the top.
Bingo, watcher! Governor's gonna shit sign me and Simeon.
Is you high?
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?